Namaskar. Today I will discuss the examples on fundamental theorems of Galois's theory. The example now here, the Galois's group of x raised to 4 minus 2 belongs to Q of x is an octet group, that is group of symmetries of a square D4. Solution: x is to 4 minus 2 is irreducible over cube and its roots are cube root of 2, fourth root of 2, I fourth root of 2, minus I fourth root of 2, minus fourth root of 2. Therefore, splitting field of x is to 4 minus 2 over q is q of fourth root of 2 I. Now x square plus 1 is irreducible polynomial over q of fourth root of 2. Therefore q of fourth root of 2 I over q, degree of q of fourth root of 2 I over q is equal to 2, as q of fourth root of 2 I degree 2 and q of fourth root of 2 is degree 4, that is q of degree of q of fourth root of 2 I over fourth root of q of fourth root of 2 is equal to 2 and basis is 1 I, and degree of q of fourth root of 2 over q is 4 and basis is fourth root of 2, 1, fourth root of 4 and fourth root of 8. Therefore basis for q of fourth root of 2 I over q is 1 I fourth root of 2, fourth root of 2 I, fourth root of 4, fourth root of 4 I, fourth root of 8, fourth root of 8 I. Let beta belongs to E is equal to q of fourth root of 2 I. Then beta is now equal to a0 plus a1 fourth root of 2 plus a2 fourth root of 4 plus a3 fourth root of 8 plus a4 I plus a5 I fourth root of 2 plus a6 I fourth root of 4 plus a7 I fourth root of 8. So if alpha belongs to G of E by Q, then sigma of beta is equal to a0 plus a1 sigma fourth root of 2 plus a2 sigma of fourth root of 2 square plus a3 sigma fourth root of 2 cube plus a4 sigma of I plus dot dot. Therefore sigma is determined by sigma of I and sigma of fourth root of 2. But sigma of I must be I and minus I, and sigma of fourth root of 2 must be fourth root of 2, fourth root of 2I, minus fourth root of 2I, minus fourth root of 2. Since E over Q is the Galois's extension, therefore degree of G of E by Q is equal to degree of E over Q is equal to 8. Let G of E over Q is equal to sigma 1 sigma 2 dot dot sigma 8, where sigma 1 from fourth root of 2 to fourth root of 2 I to I identity, and this is our solution, and alpha 1 is equal to fourth root of 2, alpha 2 is equal to I fourth root of 2, alpha 3 is equal to minus fourth root of 2, and alpha 4 is equal to minus I fourth root of 2. and this is solution of our problem. And then the element of g of e by q permutes the root alpha 1, alpha 2, alpha 3, alpha 4 of x raised to 4 minus 2 as follows: sigma 1 0 degree rotations, sigma 2 90 degree rotation, sigma 3 180 degree rotations, sigma 4 270 degree rotations, sigma 5 reflection about D1, sigma 6 reflection about L1, sigma 7 reflection about D2, sigma 8 reflection about L2, and this is our